Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the bad side of iOS 16. Now of course, this is still a great update, it has some real exciting new features, and I'm pretty sure iOS users will love this update once it comes out to the public in September. Of course, we're right now just on beta 1 and it has some really amazing features, and of course more will be added during summer. But there's always of course a bad side, and there are some really interesting and big features of iOS that a lot of us love which have been removed from iOS 16 and are most likely never coming back to iOS. So let's get started and let me show you guys which are those features. Alright, first of all, we're starting with a lock screen. Of course, the new lock screen on iOS 16 is brand new, it is pretty exciting, we have quite a lot of new features, and of course the ability to actually customize the lock screen any way you like. But a really important feature is missing, and that is live wallpapers. Live wallpapers are gone. On iOS 16, you cannot have live wallpapers on your lock screen. And even videos that we used to convert into live photos and then make them live wallpapers, you can no longer do that. The iOS 16's lock screen doesn't offer live wallpapers, and that's really bad. They are actually pretty cool. I know a lot of people love that. There used to be a lot of live wallpaper apps on the App Store, but now they're gone, and on iOS 16 we will no longer have live wallpapers. And when talking about wallpapers, all the cool older wallpapers of iOS are gone too. Now when you go to set a new wallpaper on your lock screen, this is what you will find. Of course you will have the astronomy right there, you will have the emojis, and these are the collections. These are basically the only wallpapers we have on iOS right now. The all dynamic wallpapers, the new iOS 16 wallpapers, and we have here the pride stripes and nothing else at all. We have this one for Unity and all the old wallpapers, which some of them were really cool, and there have been a lot of wallpapers that actually supported light and dark mode. Those are gone. Hopefully Apple will fix this with the next few betas, add more wallpapers, and of course have dark mode wallpapers, because none of the wallpapers on iOS 16 except this one right here, the all dynamic wallpapers, none of them actually support dark mode. Only these do. So if you use one of these, you will be able to actually have a dark mode wallpaper, but none of the other ones, not even the default iOS 16 wallpaper, has a dark mode. Hopefully that will be fixed. Another thing that you will miss on the lock screen of your iOS 16 device is the battery percentage while charging your iPhone. Now that used to be really useful. Whenever you plug in your device to charge, if of course you're not on iOS 16, you will see the percentage of charge right here. And when you just tap on the screen to wake up your device, it will show you how much it's charged. But on iOS 16, that's gone. The only way to bring that back is if you use one of the battery widgets on the lock screen. If you decide to use other widgets and not this one, then you won't be able to see the percentage of battery on your iPhone. You will have to actually unlock your iPhone while it's charging in order to see the percentage of battery, or just go to the control center from the lock screen, because by tapping on the screen you will see nothing. You will see just the clock, of course the date, and the widgets that you have. So the only way to have battery percentage on the lock screen is to use one of the battery widgets. And this right here, this is the new video player, the default video player of iOS. Now this is maybe a bit better design, but I don't really like this. First of all, we have here the scrub. This is missing. So on iOS 15, just try this, play a video. So when you slide here, all you have to do is just swipe your finger up, and you can go ahead and just scrub slower here, just move in seconds maybe, but that doesn't work on iOS 16. Now this is really annoying, and having this at the bottom is actually not that great at all. So you can see if I just move the finger up, it will still scrub at the same speed. So that's really a bad feature that Apple has done with this new video player. I don't really like it. Hopefully this will be fixed with the next few betas, but the previous one, the older one, was much better. Another feature here on the notifications, not exactly on these ones here, I'm just taking these as an example here from Instagram, but that will used to be like a lot of apps like Reddit, for example, or maybe Twitter. So when someone, let's say, liked a photo that you posted or something like that, it would show you the notification alongside with the photo here, a preview of the media file that someone has liked or something like that. That is actually missing on iOS 16. I've never seen that on any of my notifications. That used to be a really great feature because it gave you the ability to actually take a peek at the notification directly from the lock screen without having to actually unlock your device and go to the app and see what's the notification for. And another feature that is missing, if you just try to set a wallpaper for your home screen, not lock screen and home screen both at the same time, from the photo library, you won't be able to do that. So if I go here and try to use this as a wallpaper, the only option is to set it on the lock screen as well. So if you're someone that uses a different wallpaper on the lock screen, a different on the home screen, and just want to change the home screen wallpaper, then you will have to do that through the settings app because you won't have any option to do it directly from the Photos app. For that, you will need to go to your settings, go to wallpaper, and then tap the preview of the home screen here, and then pick the photo that you want to use as a wallpaper for your home screen. That's the only way to change only the home screen wallpaper on iOS 16. Now these are some really great features that Apple has removed from iOS 16, but there are a couple of really good new features that Apple has added to iOS 16 which actually don't work on older devices, not even on the iPhone 12 Pro Max here, like the ability to unlock your iPhone with Face ID on landscape mode. That only works on the iPhone 13 Pros. So you can see right here we have Face ID, turn it into landscape. You won't be able to unlock your device unless you have the iPhone 13. And of course the always on display, that is also a great feature on iOS 16, which is coming. It will be released of course when it gets released in September to the public alongside the new iPhone 14 Pros, and all the other devices won't be getting that feature. That's a really great feature to have, and we have been waiting for that for a long time. It has been rumored to come for a long time, but it looks like only the newer devices will get it. Now that we know all the great features that Apple has removed from iOS 16, and of course a couple of ones which won't be able to be used unless you have a newer device, what to expect from Beta 2. Beta 2 should be actually very exciting. I'm expecting a lot of new features to be added to iOS 16, and we might even have some big surprises with Beta 2, and hopefully they will enhance also the current features like the lock screen, which actually is kind of buggy. So you can expect that update to come this upcoming week, so probably Monday or Tuesday. These are the 2 dates when you can expect the second beta of iOS 16. Now if you're someone that likes to try iOS 16 but you don't want to install the dev beta, you're waiting for the public beta, then you can expect it to come right here at the first week of July. You can expect that on the 4th, 5th or 6th of July. That's when the public beta should be released to the public to test out iOS 16. Now of course to do that, all you have to do is just go ahead and sign up for the beta program right here on the Apple Dev webpage. I will do a video once this gets released. I will show you guys in details how to quickly get beta, the public beta on your device. So make sure to subscribe for that, and it will be no problem updating your device to the public beta of iOS 16. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Again, as a conclusion, iOS 16 is a great update. It's missing some features which we're used to and of course have been very useful, but again, we have to sacrifice some features to get some other ones. So that is it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a like on this one if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video.